Example 1. A bomb of mass capital M is suspended at rest from a cable and detonated into three pieces A, B, C respectively, whose masses are in the ratio of 3:2:1. The piece A is observed to have a speed V0 in the positive x direction right after explosion, and B is found to have a speed 2V0 at an angle 37 degrees with the horizontal. Determine the velocity of C. So cos 37 is 0.8 and sin 37 is 0.6. Let us solve. So the masses are divided into 3:2:1. That means mass of A will be m by 2, mass of B will be m by 3, and mass of C will be m by 6. So velocity of A is V0 I cap along x direction, and velocity of B is 2V0. So obviously along x direction, velocity of B along x direction is 2V0 cos 37, and along y direction 2V0 sin 37. The same way, velocity of C along x direction and velocity of C along y direction need to be calculated. Since the net momentum is always conserved, so what we can write? Along x direction, m1 means ma, and velocity of A along x direction plus mb, and velocity of B along x direction plus mc, and velocity of C along x direction is always 0 because the initial mass was at rest. So the net momentum before and after collision should be the same. So let us substitute values. So what we get? M by 2 V0 plus m by 3 2V0 cos 37 plus m by 6 velocity of C along x direction. We need to calculate that. And if we apply the same law of conservation of momentum in y direction, what we get? Mass of A into velocity of A along y direction plus mass of B into velocity of B along y direction plus mass of C to velocity of C along y direction should also be 0. So mass of A is m by 2, and velocity of A along y direction is 0 because the particle A is moving only along x direction, plus mass of B is m by 3, and velocity of B along y direction is 2V0 sin 37 plus mass of C is m by 6, and we need to calculate velocity of C along y direction is 0. So by simplifying equation 1 and 2, we will get velocity of C along x direction will be minus 6.2 V0, and velocity of C along y direction will be minus 2.4 V0. Therefore, the magnitude of velocity is plus velocity of C along y direction. The magnitude of velocity of C is under root of 6.2 whole square plus 2.4 whole square, which gives us 6.65 V0. So the magnitude of velocity, and the direction will be theta is equal to tan inverse of Vy minus Vx, which is 2.4 by 6.2, which is equivalent to 21.6 degrees with respect to x-axis.